Hey guys, it's Hatters here. This is an update on upcoming things that I will be scrapping. If I can, I will try and rig up my camera probably from above so that I can scrap and you guys can see the scrapping happening. Okay, now first thing we have here is a children's nightlight. And we have a small portable heater. We have a lamp, no lampshade, no light bulb. We have a small fan. We have another lamp with the shade and with the bulb. And here, just going to move the camera down, we have two plug-in cement mixers. Never done one of these before, but should be interesting to scrap. Just moving the camera in here, guys. I can foresee some cast aluminium. Each of these here and here, there will be a motor, which is worth selling as motors. That's usually how I sell them. I don't bother to take them apart. And we're just going to move the camera over to here. That's my jeans and my boots. And here we have a Ryobi blower, which also came with a battery and the battery charger. I took the extension hose, which would fit on here, and going up here, I took that off and left it at the curbside. Oh, and also we have a cast aluminium pan off a barbecue. Just going to flip this over. It's a cast aluminium barbecue plate, which basically needs nothing done to it. And that's what I've got to scrap. Oh, two things I've forgotten. I have a brass plugged cord, brass on either ends. And also in here, we have what appears to be coax cable, or coaxial cable. I will catch you guys on the next one.